Say hello to Pinchee, a fully 3D printable, 2-player dexterity game where players pinch their birds to stack twigs on a cheerful elephant. Combining fun with finger and wrist exercises, this game is enjoyable for everyone but offers particular benefits for individuals with hand arthritis. Let's unpack the game in more detail. The suitcase game board is designed with a series of hinges that make use of strands of filament for axles. When you open the suitcase, it folds out to reveal an internal game board and game components. From there, each player can collect a different coloured bird and set of twigs before assembling their tree. At this point, the game begins with the first player using their spinner to determine which finger they need to pinch with. As the game goes on, players take turns in using their birds to place twigs on the stack, and when successfully placed, positive points can be added to your scoreboard. Any fallen twigs are placed on the ground in the player's tray area and are classed as negative points that can be deducted from the scoreboard at the end of the game. During your turn, you may choose to end your game by placing your bird onto the stack instead of a twig, which gives you 3 bonus points. You might consider this option when the stack starts to become unstable and you don't want to risk twigs falling off on your next go. After one player attempts to place their bird, the other player continues stacking uninterrupted until they cause a twig to fall or they choose to place their own bird. At this point, the game ends and negative points from the fallen twigs are deducted from the scoreboards to reveal the winner. Pinchee's 3D print files are completely free to download, along with a comprehensive maker guide and game instructions. So what are you waiting for? Grab your files, print your set, and dive into this stacking adventure.